She was a dancer, entrepreneur. It's a good mix to have. Miss Lauren is with me. We are at Encore Performance Dance Studios. We're in one of their studios here in Chantilly. Most of it is over on my left side. So to check out this fantastic location for dance in the Virginia area, put their descriptions in the description box for locations. Check them out. It's a very cool place. You've got to learn how to dance. This is called stretch. Stretch? Yeah, mostly for me, because I have to stretch to do this. First, we're going to show it to you. Fast move. I'm going to show you first, and then we'll show you how to get in. First, we switch hands. We're going to do a shirt push just to get Miss Lauren ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's some stretching there for me that is key to making this really cool. First time I showed her, she was like, "This is fun." Gotta learn it. Gotta learn it, guys. Okay, how he begins though, very, very basic, is you gotta switch hands. So one shirt push, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch hands right into her right. Okay? You do it, don't ask for her hand as she's going back on the last triple. Just switch hands. Ask for her left hand underneath for the next part. The next part is a tuck turn. Okay? So you bring her by your left side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's a basic tuck turn. So nothing really difficult there. We're going to go this direction here. Let's pull her through. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Okay? I didn't want to really explain that part because we're moving into a faster part of this move. So just keep this in mind. So bring her by. First triple. 1, 2. Raise her arms. 3 and 4. Turn to the right. 5 and 6. Now what I'm doing on the last triple is moving over to her right side. So we're going to go front to back so you can see how I get out of her way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Because I'm going to take her this way, but I'm moving out of her way. Because of what's next. Because I'm using my right hand, her right hand, to do 2 big triples. Won't work if you don't finish it. This is where you have to stretch this move out and really accelerate it. 3 and 4. Pull way through faster. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. I do this move with a real fast song. It's so cool. And you're out of her way. You don't really hit her. Bump into her. Okay. How to get into it again after 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. I'm going to let go of her left hand. I don't need it. So as she's going this way, I'm going to turn her to her left. And I'm going the same way. Triple step. Take her right arm, put it on her hip, and then switch back for the last triple. That kind of keeps my balance as well. She's just doing a turn and not even thinking about it. But I've got to turn, catch the balance. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. So we're going to go this way. Just the angle of going front to back is hard to do, but we're going to try to get it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9. It's a cool move. That tandem turn, I love this one. But it's a hard move to do if you really don't have a good partner. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stretch. Come up. Come down. Done. It is just an excellent move. That stretch part, get that arm in, and you really got to fly leaders. There's no other way around it. All right, what's Miss Lauren do? I know what she does, but now she can tell you what she does.
So I'm a visual facilitator and coach in the DC area. My practice is dancing with markers. If you have an upcoming meeting, strategic planning offsite, looking for a coach, please reach out. Maybe I can help you out. My website is dancingwithmarkers.com.
Anything you need will be in the description box, and we'll put all of our social media links there. After you look at the video, give it a thumbs up. Please go and check her out. Support her. It would mean a lot to me. Her too. All right, guys. We'll be back next time. We'll have something cool for you. Until then, Miss Lauren, as they say,
Keep dancing.
bye.